Guys, it's thundering. It is thundering. And this is probably going to end in some wetness. But I do need to take this bike for a spin. See, it's been a while since she started up. So I can feel good about giving it back to the customer. So she hasn't been running in a while. We should warm her up a little bit with choke. This is just going to be a quick trip around the block. See if I trust what I did. I was going to check tire pressures and all that good stuff, but I didn't get to it yet. Alright. So what I'm gathering is he bought this bike and he has never actually ridden it. Oh, this doesn't even look like it's attached. So there's a lot more to do to this bike to make me trust it. But let's at least see if I can get around the block. Oh, I didn't check the brake lights. The brakes do work real good. So let's pin this thing around the block quick. Bring it back, park it before I get wet. Second, third, fourth gear. Rear brake works, front brake works, third gear. Yeah, I don't think he ever actually rode this thing. She moves. It's a good little mover. Let's go back here. Third gear, right? Turn signals do work, even though I didn't use them. Fourth gear, fifth gear. Well, maybe I was off. I think this has 6 gears, but we didn't hit it. Fifth, fourth, third, second, first. Okay. All right. All right. It feels safe to me. Everything's working good. I didn't give her a chance to warm up. That's why she's kind of hesitating. I want to get back before the rain opens up. I was mowing the other day and the rain opened up. All right. I'll tell you what. I'll trade him for this bike if he wants to do that. Yeah, I'll trade him. I like what she's cooking. I know. All right. All right, the one thing I want to do yet is put some grip glue under the grip. She's needing that. But as far as working, yeah, I love it. Alright, I'm confident in that. Short little video. This bike definitely has things that need done. But for today, she's in good shape. Alright, that's it for this one. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Oh, come on. Don't look at my legs. Alright. So that's that, guys. Get out and ride. See you in the next one.